Hi, my name's Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. I'm here to show you we have a 2019 4x4 passenger van. This is a 6-cylinder 3.0 engine, horsepower 188, and the torque is 325. As I mentioned, this is a diesel, 24.5 gallon. You can see over here, we have the gross vehicle weight at 90,050. They indicated it is a passenger van, so we have plenty of storage. So what we have back here is we have 10 passenger seats with 2 up front. They indicated you can use this as a passenger van, or because it's fully customized, you can use this as an RV and upfit it. We're in the 2019 4x4 Sprinter van. You can see it has the multi-function. The nice thing about Mercedes-Benz, they've kept this simple, very simple. You have plenty of cup holders here and here. You have 4 up there. Along down here as well, we have the USB port and a chargeable. With the new key, all you do is have to hit the start. Makes it very simple. The shifter is here. It's all standard in the 2019 with the backup camera. This one happens to have the backup camera in your mirror. Thank you for taking the time to look at the 2019 4x4 Sprinter. If you have any questions, I can be reached at 603-792-2427, or my email is kbates, and that's B-A-I-T-Z. So it's kbates@driveprime.com. Thank you for taking the time.